Hello everyone! Welcome to Daily English Stories. This channel helps you improve your English speaking and listening skills through simple stories. In this video, you will practice English using a short and easy story. The story is about a young woman named Emily. She went to a clinic because of a small problem, but that visit changed her life forever. I will tell the story sentence by sentence. Pause the video after each sentence and repeat after me. This shadowing practice will train your brain to speak English naturally. Are you ready? Let's begin the story. My name is Emily Carter, and this is the story about the day I visited a doctor. It was a normal day, but it changed my life forever. I am 23 years old. I live in Chicago. I work at a small bakery near my apartment. My life is very simple. Every day feels the same. I wake up early, I go to work, I come home tired. Nothing exciting happens. But one Wednesday morning, everything changed. That morning, I woke up with a strong pain in my stomach. It felt uncomfortable and heavy. I could not go to work, so I called my manager. "I'm not feeling well today," I said. "You should see a doctor," she replied. I didn't want to go. I always feel nervous in hospitals, but the pain did not go away, so I decided to visit a clinic near my home. The clinic was clean and quiet. People were sitting and waiting. I felt nervous. My hands were cold. At the front desk, a friendly woman smiled. "How can I help you?" she asked. "I don't feel well. I need to see a doctor," I said. She gave me a form to fill out. I sat in the waiting room. Time passed slowly. After about 40 minutes, a nurse called my name. "Emily Carter?" I stood up. The nurse was kind and calm. "Please follow me," she said. We walked down a long hallway. The walls were light green. It made me feel relaxed. "This is room number 3, she said. I sat on the bed. The room smelled clean and fresh. I waited quietly. Then the door opened. A man walked in wearing a white coat. He was tall and polite. He smiled gently. "Hello, I'm Dr. Daniel Harris. How are you feeling today?" My heart started beating faster. Not from fear, but from surprise. "My stomach hurts," I said softly. He asked me a few questions. He checked my blood pressure. He listened carefully. Everything seemed normal. "I think it's stress. Nothing serious. Try to rest and drink more water." He gave me some medicine. "Thank you, doctor," I said. "You're welcome, Emily," he replied kindly. I left the clinic. The pain slowly disappeared, but my thoughts stayed with him. Days passed. I felt better, but I couldn't stop thinking about that visit. 1 week later, I did something I never expected. I went back to the clinic. I wore my favorite dress. I wanted to look confident. At the desk, I said, "I need to see Dr. Harris again." "Are you still feeling pain?" the woman asked. "Yes," I said. It wasn't true. I waited again in the same room. When he entered, he looked surprised. "Emily," he said, "how are you feeling now?" I took a deep breath. "I need to be honest," I said. "I feel better." "Then why are you here?" he asked gently. I felt nervous, but I spoke. "I wanted to see you again," I whispered. He looked at me quietly. For a moment, I felt scared. Then he smiled. "I'm glad you came," he said. My heart felt light. Can I ask you something? I said. Yes, he replied. Would you like to have coffee with me sometime? He paused, then smiled again. Yes, he said. That evening we went for coffee. We talked for hours. It felt natural and easy.